Do you have affiliate marketing business, an e-com business, digital marketing business, maybe a video content creation business, or maybe just a brick and mortar? Well, you want to stay tuned. I got some software for you. Today we'll be talking about an app called Grow Viral. Now, Grow Viral specializes in three things: increases your traffic, your leads, and your sales. So, talking about Grow Viral, in this review, we'll learn about the OTOs, the demo video, and my exclusive bonuses when you purchase through my link. Now, if you think that this software is too good to be true and you're too impatient to wait to the end, now look at the bottom of this video in the description and there's a link for you to purchase. And by the way, while you're there, do me a favor. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can continue to bring you great digital software now and in the future for 2022. Hey guys, welcome to my bonus page. You'll receive these bonuses when you purchase Grow Viral through my link. So let's get to it. Exclusive bonus number one is Funnel Writer. This Funnel Writer is great. It creates scripts for you, creates webinars for you, does logos for you, does some SEO, and a multitude of things. So you guys definitely got to check it out. This is a great value. Exclusive bonus number two is Internet Marketing Methods Case Study. This is for my intermediate to beginners in internet marketing, even my experienced internet marketers. There's always something great that you could learn, that you can put into your arsenal, how you plan, your goals that you have, and different things of that nature. So this is also a great value. And last but not least is my exclusive bonus number three is turn your Gmail into an autoresponder. For those of you who do not have an autoresponder or can't afford to buy an autoresponder right now, this is a great value to get you started, to get you collecting some emails. So all of these exclusive bonuses will be waiting for you when you purchase through my link. Okay, guys, we're here at the OTO page. So in the front of the system, what you have is you have your personal license for $47 and your commercial license for $67. This is the front end of the system. So you basically get the front end of the equipment for the $67, which I think is a great deal. That you should get the commercial license as opposed to your personal license, just in case you want to do a little bit more with it. So let's move on to OTO number one, which is your founders. Now, initially, this founders upgrade will be $197 one time. And then once, this product is already launched, so it would more than likely be $37 a month. As I checked so far, it is not. It's still $197. So you definitely want to get that deal at $197 as opposed to paying $37 a month. But with that, like I said, you get your email boosters, your Grow Viral style clubs, your viral funnel campaigns, your email subscribers, your unlimited future updates, priority support, founding member, access pass, your Grow Viral challenges. So let's now go to the OTO number two, which is your professional features. Now we're getting to the good stuff. This is for $67. It gives you your fraud protection, your analytics dashboard, your UTM tracking, your Zebra integration, your enhanced forms, retargeting and external scripts, campaign digest, and use with your clients. So the reason that this is a good upgrade, ladies and gentlemen, is because you have your fraud protection. But once you run your campaigns, no one can log into your campaign twice. It won't allow them to. Your fraud detection will pick that up. And if you have the agency license, of course, and you're doing this for someone, you want to know that you don't have duplicate emails or you don't have duplicate registration. So this is a great, You get to show your client the analytics, the tracking. You can integrate it, of course, with their email responder. You can retarget your enhanced form. This is a great upgrade, this professional feature. So now we got the OTO number 3, which is the agency. Now, you can make a significant amount of money if you do this for other people as an agency. And this will allow you to run several different campaigns for several different people. It'll give you that client management dashboard, your client folders, your accounts. It'll give you sub-users. I believe it's up to 5 sub-users so that you can employ other people to run campaigns for you. That's what your sub-users are for. Your client attraction sales funnel, your Grow Viral agency suite, and your agency training. And also your Grow Viral agency done for you ads, which is this OTO number 3 is a great value. Now, your OTO number 4 is your Grow Viral funnels, which is at $197. Your funnel software is professional features, 150 templates, 20 done for you Grow Viral campaigns, and your commercial rights. So this is also a great value too. It just gives you more weapons into your arsenal. So now that we're finished with these OTOs, we're going to go on over and look at this demo video and see how this software works and how great the software is. I'll see you on the next page.
Hey, it's Sam back here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can transform regular opt-in forms like these into welcome pages like these, or live pre-launch events like these into viral traffic-getting campaigns that pull in traffic from email, chat software, and social networks automatically, literally generating their own traffic, leveraging email and social media for absolutely free. This is Grow Viral. It's a software that specializes in doing 3 key things: increasing your traffic, leads, and sales. To install Grow Viral, simply set up a campaign, then swap out your old forms for Grow Viral forms like this. Or add Grow Viral to your product thank you pages like this. Or use Grow Viral within your product launch campaigns or event-related campaigns like these to build a massive hype, attention, and a big list of interested prospects fast and for free. And that's just the beginning. Let me show you how it works. When a subscriber joins your list, you can offer them incentives to share your opt-in, website, webinar page, or product page with their friends. They receive a unique link with some additional quick links to instantly share as easily as possible. From there, as people click through their links, your subscriber earns points which unlock rewards and give them an increased chance of winning a grand prize, like a $10 discount off a particular product of yours, or access to a new training product, or a free coffee for their next order. As more and more people join your subscriber list after seeing your offers being shared across social media, email, or chat tools like Instagram, WhatsApp, or Skype, more and more people see your offer, more and more sharing occurs, and your campaign can grow exponentially viral with the right offer for free in a very short amount of time. That's why this software is so powerful. It combines the highest earning form of marketing on the internet, email, and the most viral traffic sources on the internet, social media websites. Then finishes it off by leveraging humans' natural instincts to and love for competition and viral rewards to drive massive amounts of traffic to your campaigns. And all you need to do is add one of your forms to your website: opt-in page, product page, or welcome pages. So if that sounds good, let me show you how this software works and how easy it is to set up right now. First, log in and start your campaign. Set up some goals and milestones for your new brand advocates. Choose how many rewards you want to give out per action, then continue. Now you can choose what reward you're giving away and the amount of points an advocate needs to get in order to unlock that reward. Or alternatively, if you want to give away, for example, a grand prize, then here is where you can enter in that grand prize. A person can win based on who is selected at the end of the sweepstakes. Hit continue. Choose how many grand prize winners you'd like to select and how you'd like to select those winners. Then you can now customize how your campaign looks and feels. Start with a style or the lead form of your choice. Customize it to suit your brand or your page that you want to embed it on. Then customize your thank you page. This is the page that people see after registering through your opt-in campaign form. On the thank you page, you can select how your new advocates share your page. They each receive a unique link which is theirs. Anytime they share this link and an action occurs, they receive points. You can also, on this page, provide your advocates with a number of additional links to help them to share from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. With these buttons activated, they can now, within just a couple of clicks, be able to share their referral link and your page across all of these different platforms. Finally, choose whether you'd like to show an interactive to-the-minute leaderboard or the milestones people can hit, and click continue. Then adjust the social appearance of your campaign. So anytime that anyone shares it, it's going to promote your brand in a way that stands out and grabs attention. Customize which emails are sent out from the system, how they look and what's written. Then adjust the final settings of your campaign and choose a start date. That's it. You can now either embed your form onto your chosen web page, website, or client site, or use your own custom URL as a landing page for your contest. And that's all. Your Grow Viral campaign is ready to go. Share your link with your friends over Facebook, email your link to your subscribers, advertise on your website, add it to your pre-launch campaigns or webinars. For no additional work, automatically grow traffic to your website, grow your subscriber list, make more sales, all on autopilot, all with Grow Viral. So let's say, for example, that you wanted to grow your subscriber list. You've already got an opt-in page where you're giving away something people within your niche want. Problem is that it's not that motivating for people to share. They just subscribe, download your free giveaway, and then that's it. Simply by replacing your ordinary opt-in form with a new Grow Viral form, every subscriber that joins your list is invited to receive discount coupons, additional download gifts, and more, all on autopilot for simply sharing your page across social media with their friends. Quickly double, triple, or even quadruple the size of your list simply using Grow Viral. So what are you waiting for? Grow Viral can grow your traffic, subscribers, and sales, whatever your campaign, website, or client project. Get access today for this low one-time special price. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for listening. I'm Sam Becker. I'll see you on the inside.
What have we learned today? We learned about the bonuses, we learned about the OTOs, we learned about the upgrades, and we saw this amazing software in action, all by using form and people's natural love and ability for competition and rewards, all while building your email list on the most viral platform on earth, social media. So you might ask me, Garth, what do you like about Grow Viral? Well, if you're trying to get your content out there, if you're trying to build your brand, this is an excellent platform for you to do it. This platform of Grow Viral has your own done-for-you campaigns. It has your own tracking, your fraud protection. It has the ability for you to grow your email list and a plethora of things to get your content out there. What don't I like about Grow Viral? Well, I don't like the simple fact that you got all these upgrades. I mean, the software is amazing. And you need all of the upgrades so that you can take full advantage of this software. So, that's the end of our review. It's been fun. It's been real. I'll see you at the next review.